The roll center is the point of the back of the car wants to roll around. So just think of it rolling up. Now when it's high in the axle and it rolls up, you can feel the inside tire come up in the air and get light. When we bring it down, because we brought it down like 4 or some inches, when it rolls up down here, it's rolling up at a far lower rate at the wheel, so the car doesn't want to roll up as much and it stays flatter on the ground. So just think of it as roll center high, rolls up, roll center down, doesn't roll as much. So the axle stays flatter, and that's how you can get to the gas sooner. Because I mean, when I drive, I'm typically into the gas well before the apex, and typically just flat on the floor at the apex and just hauling ass out of the corner. Because the faster you are mid-corner and corner exit, the faster you're going to be at the end of the straightaway. And that's how I can pass so many like high-powered cars on the straightaway.